One is that Pranay sir builds your foundation very well. So he knows where to start with a person who is from engineering background or somebody who is from a humanities background. Everybody will be very comfortable with the level of understanding that from where he starts and the syllabus or any topic for that matter of fact. So it is very easy to be in his classes. You don't think कि okay मुझे ये सब पहले से नहीं आता है तो I will not be able to grasp as quickly as a humanities student. ऐसा नहीं है। और या ऐसा नहीं है कि ये जो इन्होंने बताया इसके अलावा मुझे 10 चीज़ें और घर जाके पढ़नी पड़ेंगी अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करने के लिए। बेस अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करने के लिए उतना काफ़ी है जो आप क्लास में सुन रहे हैं। सो दैट इज़ देयर। ड्यूरिंग द कोचिंग आई मेड क्लास नोट्स बिकॉज़ सर का जो स्पीड है क्लास में पढ़ाने का वो भी काफ़ी ऐसा है कि हर कोई नोट्स बना सकता है। वो रिपीट भी करते हैं जो वो बोल रहे होते हैं, जो उनको लिखवाना होता है वो रिपीट भी करते हैं। प्लस वो स्पीड भी ऐसी होती है कि हर कोई लिख सकता है उसमें। फिर भी बाई चांस कुछ रह जाता है तो आप अपने क्लासमेट्स की हेल्प से नोट्स प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं। और कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव थी नोट्स डेफिनिटली। हाँ, ऐसा हमेशा होता है कि आपको ऐड ऑन और सप्लीमेंट करने की ज़रूरत होती है दैट बट अदर देन दैट एक बेस मटीरियल के हिसाब से दे आर वेरी गुड। Yes, definitely. But it is topic wise. It is not any book which is cover to cover I have covered. It is mostly topic wise. If I am reading thinkers, for example, unit 4 of paper 1, so I referred IGNU notes for that because very extensively the thinkers has been covered in the BA sociology IGNU notes. So I covered it from there. For unit 1, 2, and 3, I used Herlumbus for paper 1. And then for paper 2, for village studies, I have used a book. I am forgetting its name, but it is a book on village studies. I use that. Then again for paper 2 as well, IGNU notes very selectively you can use. That is there. Also, I use ChatGPT, where I was asking very specific questions to it and asking for the thinker names or some of the opinions which for a particular topic. So that these are the majorly my sources to supplement my material of class notes. So because I took coaching with IS Gurukul in 2020, so my experience of answer writing was at that point of time was that the sir used to give 2 to 3 questions at least after second or every second or third day he used to give 2 to 3 questions and then those questions were checked by sir and given review of those questions. So it helped me to create a framework, initial framework for my answers, to get a understanding how to reproduce the whole folder material in the form of an answer. So that was there. I have been with Pranay sir since 2020 and it has he has been a great support to me because anytime I need current affairs material or anytime I need a understanding on any topic, I need to discuss any current affairs topic for that matter of fact. So I used to call sir and I have seen that sir takes time with all the students. If you go and ask him certain doubt or certain, or if you're telling him certain opinion of your own about some topic that sir, I think this about this particular topic. So he'll listen very carefully, very patiently, and he'll add on to that particular thing. So he has been a great support and mentor to me. It has been a great experience. It has been a actually very beneficial experience for me because I come from an engineering background. So it has saved a lot of time for me. That to make my base notes, to get a basic understanding of the syllabus, to get a macro view of the syllabus. It has helped me a lot.